Everyone, today we have to continue the chapter a square and a square roots. Today we will study about how to find the Pythagorean triplet when one of the members is known. First of all, you should know what is Pythagorean triplet. Actually, a set of three natural numbers m, n, p is said to be a Pythagorean triplet if m square plus n square is equal to p square. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13, etc. Actually, a set of three natural numbers m and p is said to be a Pythagorean triplet if sum of the squares of m and n is given by the square of p. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13. Right? Here, 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. This is the square of 5. Same way, 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 36 plus 64. It will give 100. This is given by the square of 10. In the same way, 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. It is a square of 13. In the same way, you can find several Pythagorean triplets. Now you have to find a Pythagorean triplet when one of these three members is given. Therefore, here there will arise two cases. When the given member is even and when the given member is odd. Case 1. Let one of the three members be m. Therefore, there arise two cases. Case 1, when m is even, we take m is equal to 2n. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is equal to 2n comma n square minus 1 comma n square plus 1. For example, let m is equal to 6. Therefore, 2n is equal to 6, which implies n is equal to 3. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet will be 2n comma n square minus 1, comma n square plus 1. It will give 2 into 3, 3 square minus 1, 3 square plus 1. It will give 2 3 the 6, 3 3 the 9 minus 1, 8, 3 3 the 9 plus 1, 8. In the same way, now you have to consider on the case 2, when m is odd. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is given by m comma m square minus 1 by 2, m square plus 1 by 2. For example, m is equal to 5. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is equal to m square minus 1 by 2, m square plus 1 by 2. It will give 5. 5 square minus 1 by 2, 5 square plus 1 by 2. Here it will give 5. 5 square 25 minus 1, 24. 24 by 2, 12. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 by 2, 13. Okay. Now we have to use some identities to find the square of some natural number. The topic is to find the square of a natural number by using suitable identities. See here, you already know a square of a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a square of a minus b, it is given by a square minus 2ab plus b square. Suppose you have to find the square of 52. This will be a square of 50 plus 2. Now you can use the first identity. Here 50 will be taken as A and 2 will be taken as B, and therefore A square means 50 square, 2AB means 2 into 50 into 2 plus B square means 2 square. It will give 2500, 250 the 100 to the 200 and 2 to the 4. This will give 2700. In the same way, suppose you have to find the square of 48. You may write it 50 minus 2 square. Now you have to use the second identity. A square of a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 50 will be taken as a and 2 will be taken as b, and therefore it will be 50 square minus 2 into 50 into 2 plus 2 square. This will give 2500 minus 200 plus 4. This will give 2300. Okay. Now we have to discuss how to find the square of a 2-digit number by column method. It can be easily understood by a suitable example. Let us find 74 square. We have to find, this is 74 is a 2-digit number. You have to find the square of 74 by column method. You already know here there are 3 columns. 1, 2 and 3. You already know a square of a plus b. It is a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Here we say a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 4. A square of 7, this is 49. 2ab, 2 7 are 14, 14 4 are 56. And b square, 4 square means 16. You have to take 16 and 1 will be taken here. And on adding 56 by 1, we will get 57. You have to keep 7 and 5 will be added here. This will give 50. Both 54 will be, 5 and 4 will be taken. And therefore, a square of 74 is equal to 5, 4, 7, 6. 5476. Here, you have to take the unit digit only and the test digit will be added to the next number. It will give 57, 7 will be taken which is the unit digit and 5 will be added to the next. And at the last 54 will be taken. Therefore, 54, 7 and 6. 5476. Okay. Now we have to find a square of a 2-digit natural number by diagonal method. This can be easily understood in the same way by giving an example. Suppose you have to find the square of 78. First you have to form a square like this. It will be divided into 4 parts. Now we have to draw the diagonals of each of the sub-squares. This is the larger one square and this square is divided into 4 parts and each sub-squares, that is these 4 squares, will be divided diagonally like this. Here you have to write 7, here you have to write 8. Here 7 and here 8. 7 7 are 49. You have to write 4 and 9 here. 7 8 are 56. 8 7 are 56 and 8 8 are 60. Take care. At first you have to write this 4. In the next you have to add these 3 6. 6 6 12 and 6 20. In the next you have to add 9 5 14 and 5 14 5 19. And at last here you have to write only 4. There is nothing except 4. You have to take 4. Here you have to take 0 and 2 will not be taken. 2 will be added to the next. That is only the unit digit will be taken and the test digit will be added to the next number. Sorry, by mistake it is written 20. You have to write 6 3s are 18 and only 1 will be taken here. You have to take the unit digit 8 and 1 will be taken here. 19 plus 1, 20. You have to take 20 and 2 will be added to it. It will give 6. And this 6 will be taken. And in this way, the square of 78 will be 6084. 6084. See it again. We have to form a square. This square will be divided into 4 sub-squares and each sub-square will be divided into 2 parts diagonally. You have to write 7, 8, 7, 8. And you have to multiply 7, 7 are 49. 7, 8 are 56. Like this. Now you have to add this number. Here there is only 1, 4. Here 6 is found to be 3 times 6 3 are 18. You have to take 8 and 1 will be taken to the next. In the same way, it will be 19 and 1, 20. This is only 4. 2 will be added, then 6. In this way, the square of 78 will be 6084. After this, you will be provided a exercise in your sheet on the on your WhatsApp number. You have to solve them, and those problems which are based on the different problems discussed today, you have to solve for your practice. If you are finding any problem, you have to ask on the WhatsApp group on the next day morning. Thank you.